know that I get the guap, so she gonna come this way. We got all the fun. Drop it this way. We got all the ones. Shake it this way. Bitch, diamonds on my arm. Yeah, my wrist straight. You know that I get the guap, so she gonna come this way. We got all the fun. Drop it this way. We got all the...
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Quill, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back, CH Gang, hashtag Curly Hair Gang. If you read the title of today's video, you already know what today is about. Today, I'm going to be finding Legos and building a Lego thing, like a Lego building. I forgot what it was called.
Lego set.
A Lego set with my little sister. So basically, it's just gonna be like super sped up of us doing that.
Yeah, because it's a lot of pieces we gotta sort through.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna like at the end show you everything. So. Welcome back. Oh shit, why the fuck would I say that? Anyways, so basically we just finished the rest of it off camera. As you're gonna see from the thumbnail, it is currently 3:32 in the morning, and we've been doing this since 7:32 exactly. So it's been exactly 8 hours, and we're still not finished. We're finishing the roller coaster. We're almost.
Monorail. It's called a monorail.
We're finishing the monorail of the Lego set, which is the last part, thank God, because I'm super duper tired. We've been doing this for 8 hours, and by the time we finish, we will have been doing it for a bit over 8 hours. It's a 1,000 plus piece set, so it's 1,017 pieces. I recommend you do not do this at home. Anyways, if you stay to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Why the fuck? I'm so fucking tired. If you stay to the end of this video, comment a blue flashlight.
Blue flashlight.
And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my last video. Cannot tell you what it is because I can't remember. I'm so fucking tired. It's 3:32 in the morning. But yeah, so I've been editing this as I've been doing it. So each clip I've been editing as I've been going about it. And I'm just dumb tired. So I'm calling it a night, you guys. Sleep well. Don't try this at home.
Please don't. You will regret it.
It's usually a 2-day thing, but I had to make a video for you guys. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.